In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone if it's not working in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're facing this issue during an important meeting or a casual call, we've got you covered. We'll guide you step by step to ensure your voice is heard loud and clear. First, let's start by checking if your microphone is properly connected to your computer. Make sure it's securely plugged into the right port. If you're using a wireless headset, verify that it's paired correctly with your device. It's surprising how often a loose connection can cause the issue. If everything seems connected properly, let's move on to software settings that could be causing the problem. Next, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the top right corner of the app where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to a selection of options. Here, find the Devices tab on the left-hand side of the Settings window. Once there, look for the drop-down menu labeled Microphone. Make sure it shows the microphone you're intending to use. Sometimes, an unexpected update or system reboot can change these default settings, so it's worth double-checking. If your microphone is correctly selected, but it's still not working, your next step should be checking your privacy settings. Close the Teams app for now. Now, go to your computer's Start menu and click on Settings. Within this menu, find Privacy. In the Privacy settings, select Microphone from the list of options on the left. Ensure that Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Additionally, scroll down to locate Microsoft Teams in this list and double-check that access is enabled. These privacy settings often need to be adjusted after changes or updates to your system, so it's a critical step. After confirming your privacy settings, let's go back to Teams and test your microphone. Start a new meeting or call and select Start using my microphone. If it's still not working, the issue might lie with your Windows sound settings. Go back to the Start menu and open Settings once more. From here, click on System and then Sound. In this window, you'll find a Choose Your Input Device drop-down under the Input section. Ensure that the correct microphone is selected. You can also test your microphone from this window by speaking into it. You should see a blue bar moving. If the bar doesn't move, try increasing the input volume. It's essential to make sure your microphone settings on Windows correspond with those in Teams. Finally, if none of these steps work, try restarting your computer. A simple reboot often clears up unexplainable glitches and gets everything running smoothly again. The steps we've covered are generally sufficient to resolve microphone problems in Microsoft Teams. Remember, troubleshooting might require a bit of patience, but with these checks, you should be able to diagnose and fix the issue effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully, you're now back to making seamless, clear calls on Microsoft Teams.